Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm Scott, personal trainer and weight loss coach with Gradual.Fitness. Today we're doing our fifth in a series of six-minute ab workouts. This one's going to be all standing up. I want to show you guys how you can do this at home or the office standing up. You don't always have to be on your back or your front to get an ab workout or different kinds of workouts. So with this, let's just show you guys a couple different ways that you can work your abs standing up. Now I do recommend, like I say in all the videos, please warm up beforehand. Don't do these dry. You will get more out of the workouts. And then once you've watched mine or anybody else's video, do it again. You'll do less learning and more working out. So without any more delay, let's get started here. First thing we're gonna do is gonna seem a little weird, but let's put our hands up near our ears a little bit. And then let's just turn and open our legs a little bit, kind of on our tiptoes on the other leg. Rotate through the abdomen and oblique. Nice deep breaths. If you want, you can lift the leg up, do a little more balance. All right, we're just trying to get the abs and obliques warmed up here. Nice deep breaths. This will always make the workouts much easier and smoother to do. Breathing in deep. Nice rotation, maybe turn a little bit extra now that you're opened up and loose a little bit. Don't overdo it. Lift the leg up again. There we go. A little faster. All right, shake that out a little bit. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna have our elbows up again, not all the way up at here. And we're just gonna turn into our elbows, or our knees rather. Just light, you don't have to turn all the way, just slight rotation to them. Keep the elbows up. They don't have to be completely straight across. All right. Bring those knees up as high as you can. Notice here, you're getting a nice cross ab workout just by almost like a sit-up, standing up. Let's maybe pick up the pace a little bit here. Next one we're gonna do is kind of a step up squat kind of thing to our elbows. What we got here? All right, shake that out again. Keep the elbows up here, a little wider stance, and we're gonna go up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch here, a little wider stance, like I said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is really going to help the lower V area. Pardon me here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go again. About 20-some seconds here. Get some explosion in those legs if you can. Otherwise, just light like that is good too, you know. But if you can, explode through. Really work on those abs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, you don't have to go this fast. 2, 3, 4, 5. Shake that out again too. Deep breaths. All right, arms now fully up. Elbows straight across, straight line. We're gonna do prisoner squat. Come up. 1, 2. Down again. 1, 2. 1, 2. We've progressed right into this, so you should be warmed up. Oops, pardon me. Key is just movement, not perfection in exercise, right? You can either go down in between, come up a little faster, right? Or you can just stay doing 2 at a time. Let's go here. Pick it up a little bit. All right, a little bit deep breaths again here. All right, you don't have to have the elbows all the way up, but we're gonna do wide across the front here. Came from the back before. 4. Work a little different group here. If you don't have it, go smaller stance and come up like this. You don't have to push the balance as far if you don't have it. There we go. All right. I don't know about you guys, but I had a heck of a holiday season, so I'm trying to skinny off a few pounds, drink a little more water, get a little more fiber in the diet, clean the gut out some. Really recommend a lot of water. Helps curb a lot of appetite issues. All right, deep breath. Now this one is just a core contraction, and we're gonna walk our legs up and flock our arms and really control right down through the abs, okay? I'm all messed up. Here we go. All right. This is just about control of the abs. Controlling your body while all your limbs are off balance, basically. Control through. See, we got a little squat, little arms in here, as well as just working the core, the lower obliques, outer obliques the whole time. Invite you to join me for 6. It's a little bit more intense floor work. All right. Thank you everyone for joining me. If you want to, stand for a second. Let's get a little stretch in, put our feet out, turn the front foot in a little, roll up. Really feel the stretch through the psoas here. 3 deep breaths here. Roll your arm down. Come back up one more time. Important to turn that front foot in or really get a stretch through here. 2, 3. All right. Let's go to the other side. Turn that foot in. Roll it up. Feel that stretch through the psoas. This really opens up the hips and creates movement options. One more. Let's roll through one more time. All right, everyone. Again, thank you for joining me. Please tune in for episode 6 of this 6-minute workout series, ab workout series. Thanks for joining me again, and I'll see you guys soon.